the biodiversity sustains us. This sustains the natural systems that we live in, that our cultures and economies rely on. I must applaud China's efforts. I mean, both for lifting so many millions and millions of people out of poverty over the last 40 or 50 years, but also in these amazing conservation efforts, whilst increasing the standard of living of so many million people. So that's an incredible sort of balancing act that I think China can be rightly proud of, because when they've preserved those animals like antelopes and elephants, that means they've preserved very large areas of land for those animals to live in. I think there's probably a lot that many other countries can learn from China's efforts to manage both increasing the living standard of millions of people and also preserving biodiversity in the way they've done. I understand that China is also making a big effort to manage its carbon emissions, and that's also a huge, I think, a really tremendous global effort, and many countries could benefit from seeing China's example in that respect as well.